In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure N8N. Whether you're brand new to N8N or setting up a fresh workspace, this quick walkthrough will get your environment ready so your workflows run reliably and on time. First, open your N8N dashboard in the browser. Make sure you're accessing the correct instance for your team or project and confirm you're signed in with the right permissions. If you're self-hosting, it's a good idea to check that your connection is secure over HTTPS before proceeding. From the dashboard, head to the sidebar and click Settings. This is the control center for how N8N behaves across your workspace. You'll see sections for general preferences, credentials, and execution behavior. Start by setting your time zone and default settings. The time zone is important because it directly affects scheduled workflows, cron nodes, and how timestamps appear in your logs. Choose the region that matches where your automations should be considered local. While you're here, review defaults like language, date, and time format, and any editor preferences that influence how workflows are created and saved. These small tweaks remove a lot of friction when you build at scale. Next, add and manage credentials for the apps and services you plan to use. Open the credentials area, create a new credential, and select the service from the list. Depending on the integration, you'll authenticate using OAuth, an API token, or a key and secret pair. Give each credential a clear human-friendly name so it's easy to pick the right one later. Use the built-in test function to validate the connection before saving. For security, restrict access to credentials to only the users or workflows that need them, and periodically review or rotate them according to your organization's policy. Finally, configure executions and error handling options. Decide how many concurrent executions you want based on your server capacity and the complexity of your workflows. Set sensible timeouts and maximum attempts so long-running jobs don't pile up. Enable retry behavior for transient errors, and specify what should happen on failure, such as triggering a dedicated error workflow or sending a notification. If your integrations have rate limits, consider back off and throttling to keep everything stable. That's it. With your dashboard open, settings tuned, credentials organized, and execution rules in place, you're ready to build dependable automations in N8N. Remember to save changes as you go and revisit these settings as your workload grows. Keep an eye on execution logs to verify behavior and spot patterns, then adjust concurrency, retries, and credentials as your automations expand.